everyone, welcome back to M.J.s Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make for you rice and peas. No, I'm saying it wrong. Stew peas and rice. And these are my ingredients right here. My rice, I have 2.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna do the rice later. This is my corned beef. Sometime in the island we make it with pig's tail, salt beef and fresh beef. But we don't have it here, so I'm using corned beef to make it. It's just the corned beef that you buy in the store. Regular corned beef. And this is Pimento, Cumin and Coriander. You can put any amount you want. I just eyeball it. This is my kidney bean, red kidney bean, black pepper. We have scallion, thyme, and in Jamaica we would use 1 green pepper, but I don't have it here, so I'm just using what I have, the yellow pepper, and I'm gonna make some green bean for my side. So let's get started. I'm just gonna cut it up. Yeah, in Jamaica they use 3 different meat when they cooking, sometimes 2. But you don't have to. Just rinse some of the salt off. Some of that salt off of it. Put it back over here. It come with this package with I think it's coriander. So we put it in our pot here. Then we start slicing. We're gonna slice against the grain. And then have like bite-sized pieces, and it's a little fatty in between, but we don't have to get rid of all the fat because that's where we get the flavor from. Not too much, but don't want too much fat in it. Just chop and drop. Okay, let's wash our beans. There's him. Gonna add in some more coriander, cumin, pimento. And we're gonna mix this around. I'm gonna cover. Just rinse with a little water. Some people doesn't wash rice, but I like to rinse it with a little water. Shake off the water. I have 2.5 cup rice and 5 cup water. It depends on your rice that you're cooking. Every rice is different. Some take more water, some take less. You can just read the instruction. To get a little butter in it. I think that's enough. And a little bit of salt. I'm not putting the whole spoon, I'm just eyeballing it. Because I don't like a lot of salt in my rice. And then you just set it and forget it for now. Yeah, we are back. Oh yes. I think this is cooked. Look at that. Our meat is well cooked. Beans are ready. Okay. We're gonna just put in our thyme, pepper, and our scallion. Just drop it in like that. You can take it out later just to get the flavor. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna give it a taste for salt. Just gonna allow that to thick up a little. Tasting for salt. It's fine. No more salt. We're gonna cook our beans. Our rice is ready, so gonna get this going. We're making some butter, garlic butter for our beans. Let's get a little more pepper here. Just want it to thick up a little. Our bean in. These beans already blanched. So just warm up in the garlic. Because we blanched them before. Let's get them in. So gonna add some pepper, black pepper, and just a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Okay, so these are ready. These are ready to go. So we gotta clean up a little and come back and show you the finished product. Here you go. All done. This is our stew peas and our rice over here and our beans. I'm gonna make you a plate. Wow, it's hot. Bye everyone. Thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.